I think. Shut the fuck up.
It moves your goddamn. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Nick back here again with another video. Today, we got to talk. A good talk. Now, personally, I did some stuff on the bus that I really want you guys to see. Basically, this is a sketch of it. Basically, I was talking to some people, and they wanted me to go vegan. Or, like, I was asking them, why the hell are you vegetarian? Because, I don't know. I personally think vegetarian's a stupid option because I think, in my preference, God put animals on the planet for a reason, and that's to eat. So, I found it very stupid about this. And so I decided to go vegan for one day. And I tried it on the bus, and we were eating Subway, and I ate a whole bag of lettuce. I don't know anymore, you know. If you want to go check it out, and here you go.
Go ahead, sir. You can just cut it.
Alright, welcome back, everybody. Nick back here again with another video. Today we're doing. Shut up!
Shut up, we're doing a food review.
Nick back here again with another video. Today we're going to eat Subway on a bus. So basically, I'm going vegan for a couple days. I'm eating a bag of whatever the hell this is. So, let's get started. So, smells pretty good.
You notice the roads are bad. Please stay seated.
You can really taste the saltiness. You can really taste the dill. Hey, now
Like, we got a close up. We got a close up what we're eating here. Oh
see,
my!
I don't fuck with no tomatoes.
I made that sub. Just saying.
Oh,
He really took a bite out of that thing.
That is sour.
Tomatoes. Oh man, he's still going.
I think we need some Italian dressing up in this piece.
No.
Let me try to find it. There we go. We're good. We're good. We're good. We are good. We are good.
okay.
Bag of salad. Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god, this tastes disgusting.
Oh.
It's like rancid. It's very potent.
I'm so scared right now. You didn't even get a fork or something.
You want some mayo with that?
Yeah, sure.
I'm so scared.
Thank you.
Hey, right there.
No.
Hey Nick, put these on.
Here, give me a.
Ew, he has gross crap all over his face. No.
Oh my god.
No.
Nick, put on the cloud.
I'm vegan! Dude, this is so bad.
Guys, stop.
God, that's gonna be a mess. Guys, this is bullying.
You know what? With great risk, without sacrifice, there's no victory. Hey, keep chucking stuff at me. It gives me motivation.
Bro, one more thing.
Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up.
Dude, you're almost there.
This is so gross.
Well, that was the video, everybody. Headbutt that like button. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know. I mean, Jesus Christ. For this last, I don't know if it was legit, like, the fucking anime game what got me, or was it just the fucking sub count. I don't know. Like, if this doesn't get me to 100 subscribers, I don't know what will. So, yeah, so that was kind of the video. I don't know. Yeah, I guess we're going to eat canned tomatoes, so that sounds fucking hilarious. So stay tuned for that. And so thank you all so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.